Dude, let's just keep on going. That's door. Is this the next to pass singers na time limitless? I'm not going to open the window because I'm about to afraid of those singers. And just wait, you're about to hear this. Please, no more video, okay, what? I'll be right back. I heard singing, alright. Dude, what is this? This is the pass singers. Okay, matulog ka alas 12 if you want. I'll be in the next episode 35. Yeah, let's just keep on going that one. Are they immortal? Yes. The thing is, they are immortal. What time na video, okay? Alas 6. Now look at the time. It's 10:59. 1 more minute and then now it's 11. How are they immortal? Like they are the next to pass singers naman. At one point I will snip at 1 na lang. Because if they're not going to stop singing like that, the Sari-Sari store will now be completely eliminated on the video game marathon over time. So yeah, am I about to see this thing? Yeah. This is the video game marathon Thursday. The overtime of the Sari-Sari store has been continuously improvement. Yeah, I'm going to sleep at 2. So I guess I will still run this challenge. Full time, midnight, video game marathon. Yes. Sila kasunod to pass singers na time limitless. You fucking ass. But yeah, am I about to cancel on my own space? So yeah, see you tomorrow again. So the Sari-Sari store is completely going to destroy the entire series. They start at 6. And then what time will it end? 2 AM. Mapalakpak ha? Like I said kanina, 8 or 8:30. Pero kung di, we at the back of the house, I didn't say Sari-Sari store, so 9:30 sila. But I said Sari-Sari store and they will end at 12 AM. Now it's 11 PM. My logic or my prediction be as far as possible predicted? Well, let's find out if I check again at 12 midnight. And if that kept on going, my prediction will move to 2 AM. This video game marathon will suck my life if I do that one again. Remember, next week I am going to San Antonio, Northern Summer to avoid everyone doing the video game marathon challenge. I will go home at another day.